Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba uyaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizoloke ngikulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. Ukuze ungaphuzi izindaba ongawenza njengamanje ukuthi-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke lithi-ke usebuyile-ke laphana-ke ubuye ngelinye-ke igiya-ke laphana-ke uJabulani-ke Khumalo-ke owasungula-ke MK-ke laphana-ke noJacob Zuma-ke kwahamba isikhathi wagcina-ke esexoshiwe-ke kwiqembu-ke laphana-ke usebuyile-ke laphana-ke waveza okunye-ke okungaziwa-ke ngoJacob Zuma-ke ethi-ke uvele-ke enze-ke into-ke engacabanganga-ke laphana-ke waveza-ke nokuningi-ke impela, kodwa-ke angifuni ukuthi mina-ke wezwa ngami phela nje into enza nje ngizodlala-ke ividiyo yakhe-ke lo mlisa-ke lena-ke uKhumalo-ke uzuzwele wona-ke ukuthi-ke uthini-ke. Mina-ke sengicela lapho masizuleke le video le ungene ema-comment section-ke ufushiye uvo lwakho ukuthi wena-ke ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke mesingizana nebhathini nje usubscribe nje akubizi imali, kumahhala nje wakhipha nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke lekho uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizoloke ngiyifaka-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. Nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
This is the craziness of Jacob Zuma. He doesn't think. He just do things as he wishes. Because people say, Baba, that is a very big problem that we have in Nkodo Sizwe, because Nkodo Sizwe is not going forward because people will tell you, Baba is sleeping, Baba is tired, Baba is this. And we've missed all the things that the South African voters, they voted Nkodo Sizwe to lead in KZN, but we are not leading in KZN today because Zuma was sleeping when the other parties were working towards getting the parliamentarians to work. In KZN, we should be leading. We should be having a premier. We're not having a premier. We are. I don't know what is it called now. In the national, we're supposed to be part of the government in whatever way, because the people voted to say go to parliament and deal with our issues. People did not say go to parliament and make mockery of us. What you see now is mockery. People that are in there, they will tell you, Ubaba, it's not right. So people who are parliamentarians that have been sent out are the very people that made the MK to be in parliament. Those people who are checking out these people, they were not even there to assist the organization to get into parliament. But because they are so-called chomies of Zuma's daughter, they have now taken over and they're doing as they please and they tell Zuma what to do. And Zuma doesn't say anything. He just say, okay, then he sign. They were chucked out for nothing.